Good morning, everyone. Welcome to EBS class. Today we are going to start chapter 7. Title of the chapter is World of Birds, Claws and Beaks. In this chapter, we will study about the claws and beaks of birds. So right now, all of you have idea of birds. In the previous chapter, we studied about the features of birds. So without further ado, let's get started. All of you look at this one. Tell me which bird is it? Right, it is a parrot. Its name is Pittu. Pittu is Emma's friend. Do you know that what does Pittu eat? Pittu eats different types of food. Fruit, vegetables, grains. The beak of the parrot is red in color. Some birds also eat flesh and insects, while others eat fruits, grains and seeds. There are different types of beaks of birds. They have different types of beaks. They don't have similar types of beaks. So all of you understood? The shape and size of a beak depend on what kind of food a bird eats. Size, shape of a beak depends on kind of foods, depends on their eating habits. So all of you understood? Now look at this one. This is a sparrow. Sparrow is cracking nuts in this picture. So this type of beak is called what? Cracker beak. Sparrow, finch, peahen, they have this kind of beak. What type of beak? Cracker beak. Now look at this one. This beak looks like a hook. This is hooked beaks. Hooked beak helps a bird to bite and tear flesh. Eagle, owl and vulture, they have this kind of beak. So now all of you are able to identify this kind of beak. Look like a hook. So hooked beak. Long and thin beak, hummingbird and sunbird have this kind of beak. They suck the nectar from flowers. They penetrate, they make hole in the flower to suck the nectar. So this type of beak is called what? Probing beak. Crane and kingfisher have this kind of beak. Long and strong beak, pointed beak. Such type of beak helps a bird in fishing. Take out the fish from water. This type of beak is called what? Spear beak. So now all of you understood? Spear means a long stick with a sharp tip used as a weapon. So such type of beak looks like a long stick with a sharp tip. So this type of beak is called what? Spear beak. Now look at this one. Warbler, robin have this kind of beak. Tweezer beak. Tweezer means pulling out. Pull out. So birds, they pull out. They pick up insects. Long, thin and pointed beak. This type of beak is called tweezer beak. Warbler and robin have this kind of beak. This type of beak helps in picking up and holding on to insects. Pick up करने में help करता है. Hold करने में किसको? Insects को. So this type of beak is called what? Tweezer. Tweezer means what? Pull out. तो पुल आउट करने में हेल्प कर रहा है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ बीक इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? ट्वीजर beak. Warbler and robin have this kind of beak. Now we will study about the different types of feet and claws. All birds have 2 feet. Each foot may have 2 to 4 toes. Each toe has a sharp, horny and curved nail like a structure called a claw. So all of you know about the claw? So curved nail like a structure. This part is claw. This is toe. And this part is leg. So now all of you are able to identify claws of birds, foot of birds. इसको leg बोल लो, foot of birds. Identify कर लोगे ना आप लोग? Able to identify the foot of birds, toes of birds, claws of birds. The birds use their feet and claws to walk, hop, swim, perch and climb. Now all of you look at this one. These birds, they walk into water to catch their food. Walk into water. And all of you look at this one. This type of foot is long and thin. This type of foot is called what? Wading foot. Wading foot helps bird to walk through water. Cranes and herons, they have wading foot. This bird is climbing on the branch of a tree. Such type of foot is called climbing foot. Woodpeckers and parrots have climbing foot. Toes are connected with membrane or web. So such type of foot is called swimming foot or webbed foot. Swimming foot is webbed to help the bird push through water and they are able to swim in the water. So now all of you are able to identify the swimming foot and webbed foot. Such type of foot is called perching foot. Warblers, sparrows, they have perching foot. They sit on the branch of a tree. Such type of foot helps a bird to sit on the branch of a tree. They hold the branch tightly to avoid falling off. Now answer me, what type of foot is it? Answer me in the comment section. Now all of you are able to identify this one. So identify and answer me. Now look at this one. All has grasped its prey in its claws. This type of foot is called grasping foot. Owl, vulture, eagle, they have grasping foot. See, what type of foot is it? Grasping foot. Climbing foot. Such type of claws are sharp and come out of the curved nail of the toes to help the bird scratch soil for food. They scratch the soil and get food. Cock and peacock have scratching foot. So now all of you are able to identify the different types of foot, different types of claws and beak of birds. So in this chapter we have studied about the different types of claws and beaks of birds. Thank you for today. Have a good one. Bye bye.